Well, we got a rooster. Oh, he sees the girls. Oh, Lord. Yeah. He has found them. He's like, why aren't they out? So one of his workers brought us a rooster today. He seems okay. They don't seem to be... I don't know. Oh! He's getting them all stirred up. He's pretty, though. But he is getting them stirred up. Oh, Lord. See how this goes. Oh, goodness. Oh! I don't think they like him. Oh, Lordy. Oh, Lord. Well, he hasn't been around any hens, and boy, is he excited. I'm not sure the girls are excited. Yeah. Well, I'm not sure they like him. They've hid from him, but he can't find them. He's kind of calming down a little bit more. Got me once already. We were walking the same way, and he decided he was going that way and not me. And he kind of got my leg, but hopefully he'll calm down. He's never been around hens, so I guess can't really blame him too much. He'll figure it out, I suppose. He is pretty, though. Maybe he'll find the hens, but they've taken off. I'm not sure where they went, but they are staying away from him. Well, looks like they got it running. They've been working on that this morning. He's actually home for a few days, and we're going to try to get some stuff cleaned up around this place. And that is a very important machine to have working. Awesome. So we're here in the garden, and we're just going to give you a little update. The arugula is doing pretty good. It's growing really well. It's looking good. I can't wait to eat it. And the peas are doing good. We did get a trellis started. We got a little work to do to it. It's not quite the way I wanted it, but we will get it fixed. But they are starting to already kind of like grow on it right there. And the bok choy I was really excited for because it has, they call it like a superfood, and it does have liver cleansing properties, and I do have some issues with my liver, so I was really excited about that. And there's like, I don't know, there's like 3 or 4 growing there, and I probably need to separate them, but now at this point I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I might just leave them all right there. The others haven't done so well. I mean, they're kind of starting. I don't think they're getting enough sun in this area, honestly. There's another one right there. I mean, it's finally getting a leaf, but this one has grown great, like tremendously different than the rest of them. So I'm not really sure if they're far enough back where they're not getting very much sun. And the cucumbers are doing pretty good, and they're growing. And we're starting this trellis also, and we haven't got it quite finished yet, but we will be getting it done. And they're growing pretty good. We have some arugula coming up, if you can see it. It's like over here and right there. Carrots are getting their leaves. Look how cool that is. Awesome. And he said that he never really planted carrots because he didn't have very good luck in the ground. They seem to be doing okay in the bed. So that's a win-win, huh? The beets are looking really good. They're all growing pretty well. And these are the beds that there were there weren't anything in them last time you saw the video. I had just got them planted. And now we have lots of radishes. You can see all those. And then the lettuce is just, I mean, it's been coming up, but it's not been growing very well. And when we had rain yesterday, which was amazing, we haven't had rain in so long. And I think that might have actually helped it a little because it's gotten quite a bit bigger. And then the spinach is growing really well. There's a few of them that's quite big. They're getting their leaves and it's looking pretty good. Pretty excited about that. My daughter loves some spinach and it's really good for you. And then we were really, the microgreens, I was a little concerned that we had planted them at the wrong time. And they actually have done amazing. So let me turn this around and I'll show you what they look like. Look at the microgreens. Like, I think we're gonna be eating some of these like fairly soon. I was so shocked. Like, this is the one I was like, I don't think we're gonna get anything. And I didn't really think we were, honestly, because of the time of the year that I planted them. But like I said, it's still in the 90s. Today it's actually overcast and pretty cool and looking really good. But like, the microgreens have done amazing. They came up really quick. They've grown really well. And I'm pretty sure, like, we're gonna eat these in salads, but also we're going to juice them. And I think that we're gonna be at least harvesting some of them pretty soon. It said 20 days to maturity, and that should be, I would say on the 29th or 30th, that we should be probably eating some of these, some another week and a half or so. But yeah, it's looking amazing. So excited about this. I've never had microgreens. I've never grown microgreens. But with everything that I read about them, they're extremely good for you. And so I'm really excited about this, trying to get a little bit healthier right now. So everything's looking really, really good. I'm excited. Radishes have just come on. It's crazy. And I've learned a little bit about this spot. I thought that it got full sun all day. Like, it's in the middle of our field. If you can see, it's like in the middle of our field. And I was pretty sure there's not very many trees. There's only 2. And I thought that it got sun all day long. Well, it doesn't. So anything that needs sun all day needs to go over here, and all the lettuces and stuff should be on the other side. So that's a little lesson for next year, because I'm really actually shocked. I really thought it got sun all day long, but it really doesn't. Okay guys, we're going to give you an update on the rooster. In the earlier clips, you saw us introducing the rooster to the hens. The hens really like him. He likes them. Everybody's cool and kosher right now. They're not fighting, and he's actually just walking around with them. They are free range, totally free range. So I don't mind the rooster. It's just he's not that nice. Like, he charged at me like 5 times, and all I was doing was putting water in his coop, and he like really tried to get me. And so I was a little leery, and I wasn't sure I was going to keep him. I'm like, I don't know. I don't want to have an animal that I'm scared of. I've never really been scared of anything or any animal. So it's a little disheartening, a little, because I really wanted a rooster. But I don't know at this point. And then his other worker had brought a dog, and it's a German Shepherd. And I don't know if the rooster charged at the dog. I'm not sure what happened, but the dog got a hold of him. He's still alive. He's wandering around with the chickens, but he's hurt, and he has calmed down, so I don't know if that's a good thing. I don't really want him hurt, though. It makes me really sad. But yeah, I don't know. We'll keep you updated on the Rooster situation. If he gets any better, I'm sure he's going to heal. He's not hurt that bad. It's broken his spirit a little. He's not crowing, and he's eating and drinking and hanging out with the girls, but he's calmed down a little bit, which is a good thing, but I didn't want it to be like that. So we'll keep you updated. So I hope you like this little garden update and the update on the Rooster. We'll keep you updated on him and keep showing you the garden as it's growing. And I hope you like this video. Subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.